Hello and welcome back. At the CME Group, I'm Dr. J from TradeMonster.com, presenting on CMZ today. That's the cash money zone. Here's what's going on in the markets. Dow Jones Industrials 30 points higher. Got a nice rally out of the S&P and NASDAQ as well. They're not extreme, but we do have some stocks that are extreme already today. One of those, AKAM, AKAM, a web accelerator. And what are they doing today that's causing the stock to run 18% higher? They're buying another web accelerator for about $270 million. Now, come on, AKAM, multi-billion-dollar company. Here they're spending $260 million, $270 million, and they're buying Cloudlit, which is, again, a content accelerator. Yes, but they might be stealing it because a lot of people were sniffing around at this one. Riverbed, RVBD was also looking at them allegedly, and they've just partnered up just about a month ago or so with Citrix. Citrix makes GoToMyPC, GoToMeeting, all those kinds of things. Well, as you know, web content can be kind of slow depending on your reception. Well, so in other words, if somebody can accelerate it, even if you're on 3G or less, you can get faster video downloads and all the rest. That's key, and that's why people basically use AKAM. Well, by working with Cloudlit here and buying them, they will accelerate somewhere between 40 and 70% the impact on your mobile device, on your phone when you're watching videos and things like that. Additionally, the cloud play here, because these guys call what they do, Cloudlit does, a Cloudlit. So now you're just getting used to clouds, I know, and now all of a sudden you've got another one, a Cloudlit. What is a Cloudlit? A mini cloud. So what they do is they're able to accelerate on your mobile device, and they're able to take less bandwidth from the cloud sites to do it. That means that the cloud sites like this technology because the bandwidth demands drop by some 50 to 90%. In other words, half the demand, maybe even more than that, is cut by this acceleration. That's why the stock's up 18% today as far as AKAM, AKAM. Check it out. We've had call buying in there over the last 2 days, and now when they're buying somebody else, the stock jumping like this tells you pretty strongly that people are endorsing this deal. Although, since other people sniffed around, does a sweetened deal come in for Cloudlit? Don't worry, we're not trading options on that one, but keep an eye on how this plays out. Now, as far as other things on the day, gold fell over 1% today. Rebounded, it's only down 0.5% right now. Gold breaking back down through 1,600 and then traded right back above it. 1,600 rather key level, folks. Not in terms of moving averages and so forth, but watch it because of the big numbers, the rule of big numbers. 1,600 has been a level. When we've got there, we've made pretty quick moves back above it. We got through it and got back above it, as I've said today, but there doesn't seem to be near the commitment. VIX, volatility metric for the S&P 500, down again today, breaking through 22, all the way down to 21 and change, but the futures are not going down, so that's saying that they don't endorse this as anything more than just the moves in the short term, the spot, if you will, versus the 1 month, 2 month, 3 month out futures. I'm Dr. J from TradeMonster.com. We're going to be doing a lot of cool things in 2012, folks, including having a tweet up out here in Chicago for our friend Joe Terranova, whose book, Buy High, Sell Higher, hits on Amazon and all the rest. You can check out the video if you just wait for it here at the end of this. You'll be able to click on the link and go to the video about the book. Great book about Buy High, Sell Higher by Joe Terranova of Virtus. We're kind of hoping that he might do a few appearances for Stock Monster as well. I'm Dr. J for the CMZ here on the CME Group.
Girl, I think we need to sit and talk, playing with my money, paper, scissors, rock, going up my heart and stick